Hey guys, welcome back to another Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to tell you some quick tips on how to improve your promenade left in the tango.
Promenade left pattern in tango. Assuming you've already learned this pattern, you can see it on ballroomfeed.com and learn some of these patterns. So we are in closed dance position. We go to promenade position, and promenade left refers to us walking and us turning to the left as she now comes in front of me and cuts me off, right? So what's super important about this pattern is her rotation to close to me. So we're in promenade, we've taken two normal walks forward here. She then flips her head and turns to closed dance position, and we finish with a little tango close here at the end. So our quick tip for you is, the most important thing is her head flip from promenade to closed dance position to stay balanced. And the second thing is going to be, if you can pause after that rotation, it's a really good checkpoint to know if you did it well or not. If you fall into the next step, it probably wasn't very good. So if we go to promenade, we walk twice, she's going to flip her head from promenade to closed, and we can pause here because it was a good enough one, and then we can exit because we want to. And those are two things that make it significantly more easy in the promenade left in tango.
We go super in depth in this specific pattern on ballroomfeed.com with the Ballroom Feed Pro membership. So if you want to learn all the tips and tricks super in depth and detailed, check it out there. And you can also learn how to do this step broken down if you haven't learned that yet as well.
Yeah, really cool classic tango pattern that introduces promenade position, which we use in so many figures going forward in this dance. So we're going to keep going through all the patterns in a lot of detail on ballroomfeed.com. You can see the pro section. And please like this video so people can see this stuff and we can get out more content. And comment if you have any other patterns you want us to give you a quick tip on, or on the pro section, go really into detail and we can all learn some cool stuff together.
Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.